So in this little short video, we'll do a binary number converted to hexadecimal. So we can start with 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So here we have a decimal value, 128, 64, 32, and 16, and then 1 are on. So we have an odd number, and I know this is an odd number simply because this last value is turned on. So now when we go changing it to hex, once again draw out our 8 lines. 4, we'll put a colon there, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to simply copy what we see. And now the values are 8, 4, 2, 1, 8, 4, 2, 1. So this one we can go 1, 0, 0, 0. We map the top on. So now that we have our hexadecimal number ready to be written hexadecimal, we could write 0, x, and we know this value here is f because everything on would be our last digit, f. We go to the other side, we have 8 off, 4 off, 2 off, and then 1 on. And then this would be our hexadecimal number. We notate that it's hexadecimal by the 0xF1, or if we were to rewrite this another way, it would be F1 hexadecimal. So 2 different ways to write it, but it's the same number. Make sure to choose one way. Do practice both ways, but whatever way is easiest for you. Some people like the lowercase f, lowercase h. Other people like the 0 lowercase x. And that's our short video. Oh, I guess I can do one more. Let's see. Then when we take a hexadecimal number, we can then say 0x AA. So here I know to draw out my 8 lines, but since we're dealing with hexadecimal, remember that colon. Now I have to do a little bit of thinking here because I'm not necessarily dealing with numbers, I'm dealing with a letter value that I know contains a number. Hexadecimal numbers are 0 through 9. And then when we hit 10, it converts to alphabet A through F. So I know my A's are 10. And if I were to write my values here, 8, 4, 2, 1, 8, 4, 2, 1. I know I have to equal 10, so we'll choose the 8, not choose the 4, choose the 2, not choose the 1. Same idea here. So right now I have my binary value, and I can just write it on top. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. A lot more easy to do. Now realize we can go from decimal to binary to hex. For a little exercise, if you want to do it, feel free to do it. Submit that in the Dropbox. But this is, like I said, a little short video on how to do hex. Always remember, draw out your 8 lines. The most important part of this program is making sure that you always draw these out until you have a firm understanding of networking. And that would be it.